Let's nurture the nature so that we can have a better future. Happy World Environment Day. Today we are going to learn about oceans. Everyone knows water is an essential component of all life forms that exist over the surface of the earth. The earth is fortunately has an abundant supply of water on its surface. Hence our planet is called a blue planet. There are totally 5 oceans in the world that cover about 70% of entire Earth's surface. Oceans are a major and vital part of the hydrosphere. All the oceans are interconnected. The three main movements of the ocean waters are the waves, the tides, the ocean currents. We'll learn one by one. The waves. Waves are nothing but the oscillatory momentum that result in the rise and fall of water surface. You can see in this image how waves are forming. Waves are a kind of horizontal movements of the ocean water. Next is the tides. Tides are the periodical rise and fall of the sea levels once or twice a day, caused by the combined effect of the gravitational force exerted by the sun, moon and the rotation of the earth. In this picture you can see how waves are formation take place. They are vertically momentum. They take place vertically momentum. The ocean currents. Ocean currents are the horizontal flow of the mass water in the fairly different direction over the great distance. They are just like a river flowing in a ocean. The oceans. Here we are going to learn size by the oceans. First is Pacific Ocean is largest. Second, Atlantic Ocean. Third, Indian Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. And last is smallest ocean, Arctic Ocean. We are going to learn one by one. The Pacific Ocean. In this map you can see here North Pacific Ocean and South Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is largest ocean. The Pacific Ocean spread over the 1/3 of the earth. Interesting fact here is marine trench is considered as the deepest part of the earth lies in the Pacific Ocean. You have to remember this one. The Pacific Ocean is almost circular in shape. The continents of Asia, Australia, North and South America surrounded by it. Next is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. The shape of the ocean like the alphabet S. Here we seeing in the map it looks like a S shape. It's surrounded by the North and South America on the western sides and Europe and Africa on the eastern sides. It is busiest ocean. Third is Indian Ocean. The shape of the ocean is almost triangle in shape. In the north it is surrounded by the Asia, in the west Africa and in the east by the smallest continent Australia. One grateful thing is here, ocean named after the country India. The Antarctic Ocean. Southern Ocean also called a Antarctic Ocean. The southern portion of the Pacific and Atlantic and Indian Ocean and their tributary seas surrounded by Antarctic. The Arctic Ocean, next is smallest ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest among all the 5 oceans. Most of the Arctic Ocean is covered by the ice throughout the year. The Arctic Ocean is warming faster than anywhere else on the earth. This point is very important. You have to remember. Start from basic learn until death. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.